Hello and welcome back to the channel where we've come down to our good friends at R44 Performance. And it's not to clean either of these two, although this one definitely needs a good clean, re-still and sort it out. I've cleaned this one in the past. We're here today to do their G90 M5. Let's get on with it. Now with the M5 back inside and all washed, we're gonna go for glisten. This is absolutely fine to use on satin and matte wraps, so let's get on with it.
What's happening, everybody? It's Reese here from R44 Performance. Today you're at HQ with the guys from Auto Finesse. So this is our G90 M5. It's quite a cool car. It's a satin silvered wrap car, so it's a wrap underneath, it's carbon black, which is a very OG BMW color. We've then lowered it, put a set of Vossen wheels on it, full carbon kit, and loads of products throughout, like engine-based stuff, exhaust system, and everything in between. But here at R44 are part specializing in BMW. We've got some really cool cars here. But yeah, the guys at Auto Finesse came down. We've been using Auto Finesse for many years. We also have a wash station over there that's fully equipped with Auto Finesse, of course. But anyways, yeah, this is our M5. It's dripped in carbon. It's a nice car, but I did see that the guys haven't cleaned the interior. So I'm gonna just have a little go at them and maybe they'll give it a clean, because white interior on a BMW is never good. It just stains like mad.